Hello, it's Jillian. I'm coming to you live from Bliss Crystals over here in Temecula, California. Let's launch into Libras. It's Libra season. September 23rd to October 22nd, that's the Libra time. And it's an air sign. They are ruled by Venus. It's the planet of love and beauty and money. And it's also represented by the scales. So it's justice, balance, harmony, symmetry, and equilibrium. The birthstones are sapphire for September and opal or tourmaline for October. The colors are blue, green, and pink. And the positive traits, so all of the signs have positives and negative traits. I like to call negative side shadow energy. We'll get to that in just a second. So the positive traits of Libras, they have good taste, they're intellectuals, they love art and beauty, they love relationships, they really thrive in companionship. They're very charming, very sociable. They are diplomats and mediators. They love that balance and harmony. Their shadow side, the shadow energy, sometimes they can be indecisive. So they're weighing things a little too much. They can sit on the fence a little too much on things. They can't make a decision. They can sometimes people please too much. They can neglect their own needs in favor of other people's needs because they really want people to like them. They're people pleasers. So sometimes they might repress their own needs, but then that surfaces in kind of a self-centered way. They secretly always want to get their way, but they don't always, of course. They can be judgmental and they fear criticism, and they tend to avoid conflicts as well. So they're a cardinal sign, which means that they're great at launching new projects, starting new things, and leadership. So I'm gonna talk a little bit about Libra season. This season, it's a sweet and diplomatic energy. It inspires us to remain balanced and fair and cordial in the way that we handle all of our affairs. We'll naturally embrace harmony rather than acknowledging conflicts. And Libra season energy, just like Libras, it's charming. It's a charming time. It's a great time to focus on things that light you up, and it's mentally energizing. It can inspire us to embrace a fresh start with partnerships and kind of let bygones be good bygones, like get past the negativity and find some common ground where we might have had conflict before. So Libra representing balance makes it the perfect sign to usher in this time of equal day, equal night. So it's a good time to check in. How are we spending our time? Are we balanced and fair in our own lives, in our own routines? Are we in balance with who we are, who we want to be? It's a great time to revisit, reevaluate past relationship dynamics and our own past habits, attitudes, and beliefs. So as you guys can see, we have the Libra card here. I'm not going to go too much into this, but I just want to mention that this is such a great gift for Libras, or if you are a Libra yourself and you want to know more about your sign. It goes through all the details that I just went over. And then on the back side, we have the main crystals that we recommend for Libra, and then a description of those crystals and what they are, the healing benefits of them for Libras, and talks a little bit more about Libra energy right there. So it's a great little gift, a little information card for yourself or someone else. And I've always liked to say too, you can write on this, you can send it as a birthday gift, because it does actually come with an envelope. So you can sign your name and write a little message here or anywhere you like. So that's our beautiful Libra card. These are our own custom made cards too. All right, then we have our Libra set. Always got to go through these because these are so special. We designed these here at Bliss Crystals. Mama Jan actually designed these and put them together. So it comes with the Libra box with the gorgeous artwork and the crystals. So you also get a little blue organza bag and an information card. Okay, so we'll go through these here. So this comes with a lepidolite. This is for softening judgment and lessening stress of decision making. Always something that Libra needs, right? Then we have a bloodstone for earth grounding and protection from negative energy. We have a pink tourmaline, which is for a heart inspiration, to see more options and feel confidence. We have a pink girasol right here. I have some pink girasol on the table today too, for beauty and love, for fulfillment, physical comfort. We have a purple opal right here. This helps trust intuition after making a choice. So just trust that you've made the right decision for you. And then a quartz point, which is the master healer, cleanses and amplifies the other crystal energies. So this lovely little card here describes the crystals there and makes a great gift for yourself or someone else. Love our little Libra set. So we have these beautiful Ethiopian opal dainty rings. We had these before, but I believe they were in a prong setting. These are in a full setting. It's all sterling silver, and these are stackable. So these will stack with any other stacking rings that you might have in your collection. And opal is one of the birthstones for Libra. So if you're a Libra, definitely make sure you snatch up one of these gorgeous opal rings in your size. These are real pink tourmaline faceted rings in sterling silver for only $42. An amazing deal. And as I mentioned before, pink tourmaline specifically is a secondary birthstone for Libra. Tourmaline energy for Libras, it's actually very grounding. It's helps them to stay present, and just so happens to be one of their stones. I think we might actually have it on the card too. Heart inspiration to see more options and feel self-confident. Sending you lots of love and crystal blessings and happy birthdays out there. Bye now.